Even for beginner artists, a high-quality airbrushing setup can give you truly professional results. When you choose something with a versatile yet powerful spray, you get smooth, high-grade results. There are many products available to choose airbrush kits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best airbrush kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Gautier Mini Airbrush Kit. Looking for something sleek and easy to carry? Check out the Gautier Mini Airbrush Kit. It's suitable for beginners and more experienced artists alike. The kit itself is compatible with a wide range of paint types. This means you can use the system to decorate all types of surfaces. The system incorporates a unique trigger mechanism. It gives you full control over the air supply and the hue you're applying. You can adjust the size of lines and how thickly you apply the paint to achieve more advanced shading techniques. It's quick to set up and easy to bring with you wherever you go. This kit comes with a hose and multiple accessories to help you craft the ideal design. It's easy to maintain, particularly since the compressor filters out humidity. This keeps both your paint and the airbrusher in optimal condition for longer. What we like about it? Easy to use. High quality components. Easy to refill fluids. What we don't like about it? Directions are not that good. You can only use one paint color at a time. Number 2. The Voham 110-120V Professional Airbrushing Paint System. We recommend the Voham 110-120V Professional Airbrushing Paint System because you can use it for a variety of purposes. It's a great kit for tanning, makeup, cake decorating, temporary tattoos, and more. The kit comes with an airbrushing machine and 3 fluid tips. The 1/5 horsepower compressor has an air filter water trap that produces 23 to 25 liters min of airflow and 0.8 cfm of air volume. There's an airbrush holder on the compressor that can accommodate 2 airbrushes. The device provides steady and continuous pressure, and at 47 decibels is not very loud. We also like that it will automatically turn off if the motor is about to overheat. Overall, it's simple to set up, easy to use, and it's not too messy. However, it can get hot after extended use, and there have been some complaints that the airbrushes aren't the best quality. What we like about it? Multi-purpose application. Automatically turns off to prevent overheating. Simple to set up and use. What we don't like about it? Has a tendency to get really hot. The included airbrushes aren't the best quality. Number 3. Master Airbrush Professional Cool Runner 2. If you're looking for a top-notch airbrush kit, we recommend the Master Airbrush Professional Cool Runner 2. This system comes with 3 airbrushes. A dual-action airbrush with a 0.3mm tip, a dual-action siphon feed airbrush with a 0.35mm tip, and a single-action siphon feed airbrush with a 0.8mm tip. The 1/5 horsepower single-piston compressor has 2 fans, so the unit stays cooler for longer periods without overheating. The package includes a quick start guide, Airbrush Resource Center access card, and an airbrush holder. It also comes with 6 water-based acrylics in primary colors, as well as a reducer and cleaner, a double-sided color mixing wheel, and a cleaning brush set. The company also provides a 1-year, 100% satisfaction guarantee. One complaint about this set is that even though it's labeled professional, it may be better geared towards beginners. What we like about it? Fans keep it cool and prevent overheating. 6 bottles of paint included. 1-year guarantee. What we don't like about it? May be more suited to beginners. Lines may not be as fine as you'd like. Instructions aren't the best. Number 4. Master Airbrush Model G22. Here's another entry from Master Airbrush. This Master Airbrush Model G22 kit is one of the company's most popular sets. It comes with a dual-action airbrush with a 1/3 ounce gravity fluid cup and a 0.3mm needle and nozzle. It's designed for hairline details as well as up to 1.5 inch wide background spray, making it a versatile option. This user-friendly kit is an excellent option for beginners and more advanced individuals because it can be used for a wide variety of projects, whether you're making auto graphics or decorating a cake. The company will even issue a replacement or refund within 1 year if you're not satisfied with the product. One problem with this kit is the trigger is not smooth action, which makes it trickier to use. Also, it may take a few adjustments to get it to work properly. What we like about it? Versatile. User-friendly. 1-year refund replacement guarantee. What we don't like about it? Triggers could be better. Adjustments may be required out of the box. Number 5. Iwata Media Eclipse HPCS Dual Action Airbrush Gun. Looking for a top quality kit? The Iwata Media Eclipse HPCS Dual Action Airbrush Gun is an optimal solution. Designed for versatility, the system lets you choose between a range of paint thicknesses. The fine tip is ideal for details, while the widest setting is best suited for covering large areas. It incorporates a smart nozzle that centers automatically. The paint feeds via gravity to the system to accommodate humid and low-pressure areas. Offering a full 1/3-ounce paint supply at any given time, you can tackle major projects with ease. The comfortable grip lets you effectively control the paint's direction and intensity. It's ideally suited to acrylic paints, though can work with other selections. This selection is simple to upkeep and designed to last over the long term. For advanced artists, this is a premium airbrush kit. What we like about it? Versatile. Premium quality. Fine tip for details. What we don't like about it? Time-consuming to clean it. Pricey. May clog with certain acrylics. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products as it